outside.
Okay. We're going across the country in my car, and I'm excited. I think it's gonna be really good. We just got it all packed up, ready to go. We are hitting the good Starbies. Everything is actually in this car. I'm kind of not surprised because I've had this car for so long that I know this car really well. We have my suitcase, a gimbal, Tiffany's suitcase, whole case of water, all of my camera things, detailing stuff for whoever knows what, all of the toiletry items, our shoes. I have a brake kit in case that goes bad because my rear brakes are not well. And then underneath there is like a jump kit, and then I have a full small set of tools under here too. So there's a lot. And then there's food in there. So, and there's still like all this room. So we're gonna go across the country in this car. It's not a trip for fun necessarily. There's actually a family emergency that we're gonna take care of. So far, we're gonna take this car. So I'm taking a stanced Scion TC all the way to California. This car is from California, actually. So it should be fine. And I just put new oil in it, new air filter. I just washed it. We're gonna tape it now so that it doesn't get super damaged. And that's about it. I literally just taped this entire car in a Starbucks parking lot, and oh shit, some of it's coming off. Oh no. This is gonna be it. This is gonna protect me all the way to Colorado, hopefully. We're going to Colorado first, and then Vegas, and then Sacramento. So here we go. So we made it to Omaha. It is this is our first destination. We're taking the northern route this time. We're taking the southern route next time. As you can see, this is the Omaha Design Center behind me. I don't really know if it's significant or not, but it's right next to my hotel. So I don't know. It made for a cool-ish picture. The tape has stuck on really well. A lot of people give me a lot of looks for the tape, but you know what, it works, it's fine. It's all right. So anyway, we're gonna check in, do all that fun stuff, and then try to eat something before we sleep. And then the goal is to hit Salt Lake City tomorrow and then Vegas the day after. So all right, it's been nothing. I mean, I was gonna show stuff, but there's nothing to show. It was really just all like farmland, so nothing really interesting. But there's hills, which we don't have in Illinois, so that's cool. New room, Omaha room. It's really bright. I don't know what else to say. Room tour. We don't have a coffee maker.
Almost.
We had to get rooms switched because the first room we went into had no AC, but it had a coffee maker, and now we don't have a coffee maker. I actually really like this like divider thing like you were mentioning. That's pretty cool. We get a really good view of nothing. The patio that is not accessible. It's quite literally just the roof. Downtown Omaha, very modern, but also very empty. There's, I don't know. Coming from Chicago, there was nothing here. But maybe we're here on a Wednesday, so I don't know. You know, maybe we'll see you in the morning. That's it. We're gonna eat. I'll see you in the morning. Bye. Vlog update. It's the next day. Downtown Omaha, kind of empty. It's like 8 a.m. This is downtown district, but I've discovered a couple bad things. Yesterday, it turns out that I ran over some paint, and I have paint all over the rotiforms. I have even the yellow paint back there. I don't know if you could see it. I'm gonna have to figure that out. It's kind of all over the body, but the good news is it's really not too bad. Like, you can wipe it off, so not bad.
Hi.
Hi. What do you do? It's pretty, actually. It's pretty.
Carl Schwab, NCAA Collegiate World Series Stadium. Or something like that.
Something like that. I had to look up what Omaha is known for. I'm sorry. I never go this way. I always go south, so I've never really done the northern route. I've done it one time, but I was a kid, so I wasn't actually driving.
I'm waiting for it to be empty, so I'm just gonna give it like 5 seconds.
It's about to be empty right now. Hug shield working. According to Juan, this is homemade PPF, and he's totally right. It's doing pretty good, actually. I'm pretty happy with it, to be honest.
Oh my god!
What?
There's a dead monarch. We have to go.
Oh my god. We gotta
We're
go.
going right now.
We gotta go. It's an inside thing, but we have to leave right now. We've now arrived to Colorado. It's really cold. It's 48 degrees and I have a t-shirt on. We're at the Welcome Center. There's a little hut there. Pretty cool. Hello. There's also that Colorado sign that I'll zoom into it.
There's like 5
There's a
in
lot.
this radius.
Yeah. Car, let's see if it's holding up really good. It rained actually a lot. The rain, not bad. The tape, still good. I'm gonna try to push everything down. Tape is still hanging on. I'm pretty proud of that. It's going really, really well so far. So we're another 2 hours, I think, to Denver, not too far. Oh man, you could see the paint now. Yeah, there's paint everywhere. But like I said, at least it's, you can wipe it off. So that's good at least. So I'm not entirely sure exactly where we were. We were just at the tip of Colorado and now we've appeared. We are in Denver. We are in Cherry Springs, I guess. It's a really affluent looking neighborhood at least. It looks really, really pretty here. Everything just looks great. We're gonna go down the street so that we can actually take a look at everything and actually get some food. I'm really excited for that. I'm gonna bring my other camera just because my big camera setup might be a little much. So I'm gonna grab my small camera and we'll see what it looks like when we get there. This poke place.
It's good.
Oh shit. It's raining. This camera's not prepared for water. I have to go. I'm wet.
I can't even see anything.
Your glasses! The rain got worse on the way really fast. It's daylight raining. It's like still sunny out. Doesn't look sunny there, but okay, trust me. We found ourselves on the Millennium Bridge. I have no idea where I'm at, but I don't know, it's nice. You see like kind of everything, you know? And I don't know a single thing about Denver at all, so I know it's really nice. It's literally a dialysis company, but it's fine.
Is this good? Angle?
Yes. 3, 2, 1. Tiffany found this big blue bear.
He's 41 feet tall.
He's 41 feet tall. It's at the Colorado Convention Center. So I turned my underglows blue. And here he is. He looks so funny. That's awesome. Denver so far, flipped Chevy Spark, 10 out of 10.